Come on in, gather round. Today I'm going to tell you a little story about administration and probate proceedings. Welcome to Frank Bruno Law. Before I get to that, if you'd like to make an appointment with me by phone or in person, please go to callfrankbruno.com. Callfrankbruno.com. And administration is when a person passes away without a will and they have assets in their name. So a person, whether married or single, but their home is in their name alone, they were the sole owners of a piece of property. If that person dies without a will, an administration has to take place. There's a petition, it's a legal document's created, and it happens in the surrogate's court, and a person that ultimately wants to be the administrator creates the petition, files it, and then asks the court to have permission to take care of the assets of the estate. In that same scenario, a person that's married or single, if they had a will, then the executor of the will would file the petition, go to the surrogate's court, and ask to be the executor. Right? So that's only if a person passes away with assets in their sole individual name. So a bank account with one person on it, a house or a property with only one person's name on it. If that person passes away, the only way that you could transfer that asset from the deceased person to the next of kin is through either an administration proceeding or a probate. So if you die with a will, that means you die testate, and the process takes place in the surrogate's court. If you die without a will, you die intestate. The proceeding takes place, same court, surrogate's court. In New York, we call it the surrogate's court. Other states may call it probate court. New York, surrogate's court. With a will, a probate. Without a will, an administration. With a will, the person that takes charge of the affairs of the decedent is an executor. Without a will, that same role is served by an administrator. Okay? All right. If you have any questions for me, if you'd like to speak with me, if you want to make an appointment, please go to callfrankbruno.com. You could check out my website. I have more than 185 blog posts, and that's at frankbrunolaw.com. Thank you very much.